Samantala sa Tacloban City, tiniyak ni Pangulong Aquino ang pagbibigay ng lahat ng kailangan ng mga nasalanta ng bagyong Yolanda. Tiwala rin ng Pangulo na sapat ang supply na ipagkakaloob naman ng pamahalaan para sa mga biktima ng bagyo. Muli nagbabalik ang aming kasama si George Bandola.
Ikalawang araw matapos ang pananalasa ng bagyong Yolanda, tiniyak ng Pangulong Benigno Aquino III na matutugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga residenteng naapektuhan dito sa Tacloban City. Sa kanyang pagdating, inuna ng Pangulong alamin ang tunay na sitwasyon ng Tacloban at Leyte. Sensitibo para sa Pangulo ang kalagayan ng mga naapektuhang residente. Sa unang datos ng NDRRMC, 709 ang naitalang patay mula sa Leyte at Samar, habang 51 naman ang nawawala. Tumaas ng hanggang 5 metro ang tubig baha sa Leyte, lalo na sa sentro ng Tacloban City. 95% ang Tacloban na naging biktima ng storm surge na unang inakala ng mga residente na isang tsunami. Tiniyak ng Pangulo, lahat ng kakailanganing tulong kahit mula pa sa ibang bansa ay welcome. Bagamat tiwala rin naman itong sapat ang supply ng pamahalaan para sa mga nasalanta.
We've been tasking our Department of Interior and Local Government to go and talk to each local executive to get whatever data that they do possess with the end view of determining which communities we lack information on, are isolated, so that we can send the necessary response.
But you need international help to provide enough relief.
All the help that will come in will undoubtedly ease the burden of our people quicker. I keep telling all of these local chief executives, you know, if you're getting anecdotal information, doesn't really help. We really have to get boots on the ground and get all the necessary data, so we are directing, so that we can direct the assets and resources to where they're most needed and have it targeted. You know, for instance, here talking about power, talking about food and water, so that is the priority. In other areas it might be medicine, in others it might be just clearing the national highways. So we want to be able to send the correct assets to address the correctly identified problems at as soon as possible. I believe so, except this is the situation in Tacloban, especially with these reports of looting, is very new to our experience, collective experience as a country. And if we are to demonstrate, for instance, the packing of relief goods, either from Manila or from Cebu, there is quite a substantial amount, something in the neighborhood of about 20,000 food packs per day. The idea of showing the people here that, look, don't have to be desperate, it's coming if it's not already on the way. And even if we get landed here, how do you actually tell the people that, no, it's here? Because you don't have TV, you don't have radio, you don't have newspapers to be able to disseminate the information. Hence, the anxiety persists. So that is a new challenge for us.
Bago lumipad ang Pangulo mula sa Tacloban City, kinausap muna nito ang daang-daang residenteng pumila sa makeshift hangar sa plaza. Sa pamagitan ng megaphone, tiniyak ng Pangulo, mabibigyan ng supply ang mga nasalanta. Mula sa Tacloban City, kasama si Danny Mateo para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.